Happy Farm Friday, everyone. Today we're talking about traceability. Each year, HMC ships out approximately 250 million pieces of stone fruit and about 100 million bunches of grapes. That's a lot of fruit to keep track of. So today I want to walk you through all the steps in our process of keeping track of the fruit from the field all the way till it's shipped, headed to your table. Each fruit that comes in has a field tag on it that indicates the grower name, the date it was picked, the ranch it came from, the clue that picked it, and the variety. This information is transferred to a packing house tag that has additional information like the packing house number and a barcode to easily track the bin as it goes through the packing facility.